Hey there, Excel enthusiast. Welcome back to my channel, Adada the Analyst. Today, I've got a super handy tutorial for you, especially if you're dealing with large data sets. We'll be diving into the world of combining and separating text data in Excel. So here is the deal. You've got a list of names in separate columns and you want to combine them. Excel got you covered, and I'll show you two ways to do it. The first way is to use the concatenate function. So let's get started. We want to combine these names, the first name, last name, and other names. So we'll say equal to concatenate. We'll open a bracket. We are going to impute the first name, which is in A2. We'll say comma. And because we want to make sure there is space between the names, we'll open a quote, one space, close the quote, we'll say comma, then to the last name, which is in B column, B2, comma, open the quote, hit the space bar once, close the quote, comma, then the last name, which is in C, say C2, right? There's no need for space following, so we'll just go ahead and close the bracket. When this is done, we press the enter key. So there we have it. We have Grace, Ademola Lighton, you see, and you see this the space between the first name and last name, as well as last name and other name. So we can go ahead and autofill this by double clicking here. So there you have it, using concatenate to combine names in different columns together. But what if you want to join the names differently? That's where Excel Flashfill comes to the rescue. First, you type in your desired name. So I'm going to type in the first name, the last name, and the other name. All right. So the shortcut for the Flashfill is Control E. I'll press Control E now, and automatically I get all of the names combined easily. It takes the first name following the method I had used earlier. I wrote the first name, the last name, and other name. So the Flashfill just followed that pattern to fill the other names. So there's a way, another way Flashfill is very helpful. Let's say all of these names work in the same organization, and as a policy, we use other names combined with the extension of the organization. So we say the other name at weweblinked.com. Instead of continue writing this, I can use the Flashfill to automatically fill this up. So I'll do this. I'll say Control E on my keyboard, and there you have it. You see the last name, Ada at weblinked.com, Vincent at weweblinked.com, Oloruntoba at weweblinked.com, or Sas at weweb. So you look at it. This is very easy. Okay. So let's say now, in this case, you want to separate these names. Okay. Now you have the full names, but you would like to work with the first name separately, the last name separately, as well as the other name. So I'll go ahead and write the first name here in this case, which is Grace. I'll press Control E to fill it up. So you see, it's taking Mercy, it's taking James, Akorede, and Joy. You see this? So I want to do the same for the last name now. I'll write the first one. Then I use the Flashfill, Control E. It's correct, right? We have Ademola, Emmanuel, Okechukwu, Matthew, and Fashion. Very correct. Then the other name, I'll write the other names, like turn. Then I said Control E to use the Flashfill, and there you have it, as easy as possible. Thank you for joining this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and click on subscribe. Thank you.